Let's unpack what are the different Active Directory based services available in Azure. As a cybersecurity architect, you might have heard a lot about the IAM and technologies that offer IAM services. When it comes to the Microsoft ecosystem, there are fundamentally three common ways to use the IAM services. First one is Windows Active Directory Domain Services. Active Directory Domain Services is an enterprise-ready LDAP server which provides a central directory and stores information about network objects such as users, computers, groups, printers, and applications. This central directory allows for easier management and access to these resources. Domain controllers are servers that host ADDS. They handle authentication requests and ensure that directory data is available and replicated across the network. Each domain controller in a domain holds a copy of the directory database and synchronizes changes with other domain controllers. ADDS authenticates users when they log in and authorizes their access to resources based on defined permissions and policies. This centralized authentication mechanism simplifies user management and enhances security. Group policies are sets of rules that control the working environment of user accounts and computer accounts. Through ADDS, administrators can use group policy to enforce security settings, deploy software, and configure user and computer settings across the domain. You can plan to host the ADDS on Azure VM and manage the way you manage on-premise infrastructure. If needed, you can plan to sync them with Entra ID as well. Microsoft Entra ID is a cloud-based identity and access management service from Microsoft. It provides a robust solution for managing user identities and access to applications and resources both in the cloud and on-premises. Entra ID enables the creation, management, and synchronization of user identities across different systems and applications. It supports various types of user accounts, including employees, partners, and customers. Entra ID can be integrated with on-premises Active Directory environments and enable hybrid identity solutions. This allows for seamless user experiences and consistent identity management across both cloud and on-premises resources. And third one is Microsoft Entra Domain Services. Microsoft Entra ID Domain Services is a managed domain service provided by Microsoft Azure. It allows you to use managed domain services such as domain join, group policy, LDAP, and Kerberos or NTLM authentication without the need to deploy, manage, and patch domain controllers in the cloud. Understanding these three distinct IAM solutions within Microsoft ecosystem is essential as it lets you define the security postures around your workload. We are not going in details, but I encourage you to refer my course on Udemy, which is fully dedicated to the IAM solution. The course name is Mastering Microsoft Entra ID. This course covers almost all the essential elements that you need to know around IAM solution.